Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this easy and quick makeup look using the lipstick in the shade called Sweet Pea. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I did was I used the Primetime Eyeshadow Primer all over my lid, and the trick with the Primetime Eyeshadow Primer is rather than applying the eyeshadow right away, you want to let it sit for about a minute or so. So while that's resting, I went ahead and I applied my blush, and this is the blush in the shade called Gotta Glow. And then I used 3 eyeshadows for today's look. I used the shade called Buttercream, and this is applied all over the lid up to the brow bone. For the crease and outer corner, I used the shade Chocolate Martini, and then I just blended that out. And then I also used the shade called Innocence, and I applied this in the inner corner as a highlight and on the brow bone. And then I used the Lash Project mascara. And I applied the lipstick called Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea is from our Instant Color formula, and it's a gorgeous pinky coral color. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more content. Until next time, bye!